In this video, I will show you how you can multitask with your iPad Air using multiple apps. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Multitasking and Gestures. If your iPad is set in full screen apps, either select Windowed Apps or Stage Manager. For now, I will select Windowed Apps. And after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the apps which you want to use while multitasking. For an example, I will open the Calendar app. Now, if the app has opened in a pop-up window, then this is good, but sometimes it might open in full screen mode. Now, to open the app in a pop-up window, just swipe up from the bottom right corner on the screen, and you will open the app in a pop-up window. Now, you can resize the window using the bottom right corner on the screen, just like that. Now, to open any other app in a pop-up window, just select the other app from here, and you can do the same thing to open the other app in a pop-up window, just like that. Now you can open multiple apps at the same time in a window, and you can multitask just like that. But if you want to multitask in split screen mode, then just tap and hold on the three dots on a single window. And from here, you can either select split screen with two apps, and from here you can select two apps to split the screen with, or you can just tap and hold on the three dots over here and you can select three apps, and you can multitask using three apps at the same time. Then finally, you have the option to multitask using four apps at the same time. And by doing that, you will start multitasking using four apps at the same time, just like that. And this is how you can multitask with many apps at the same time. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.